Let's learn cooking vocabulary. I am chopping onions. I am chopping onions. I am rolling dough. I am rolling dough. I am peeling potatoes. I am peeling potatoes. I am squeezing a lemon. I am squeezing a lemon. I am blending smoothies. I am blending smoothies. I am boiling pasta. I am boiling pasta. I am toasting bread. I am toasting bread. I am baking cookies. I am baking cookies. I am frying eggs. I am frying eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am scaling fish. I am scaling fish. I am roasting chicken. I am roasting chicken. I am steaming vegetables. I am steaming vegetables. I am whisking eggs. I am whisking eggs. I am kneading dough. I am kneading dough. I am marinating steak. I am marinating steak. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am stirring sauce. I am stirring sauce. I am tossing salad. I am tossing salad. I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese. I am slicing bread. I am slicing bread. I am dicing carrots. I am dicing carrots. I am mashing potatoes. I am mashing potatoes. I am poaching eggs. I am poaching eggs. I am basting turkey. I am basting turkey. I am boiling steak. I am boiling steak. I am frosting cupcakes. I am frosting cupcakes. I am roasting peppers. I am roasting peppers. I am folding batter. I am folding batter. I am melting chocolate. I am melting chocolate. I am stuffing mushroom. I am stuffing mushrooms. I am garnishing the dish. I am garnishing the dish. I am wrapping dough. I am wrapping dough. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगे तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना मेरे चैनल को। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।